Hi everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. In this video we are going to make a beautiful flower using these hair bands. Tie a knot like this. After that we are going to make more such shapes like we are doing here in the video. Now take a plastic stick or any normal stick and tie a knot and put all of them together one after another. We are going to combine all the bands like this and make a beautiful flower out of it. And look, it is almost ready now. After that we are going to remove the stick and then combine all of them together like this. And look, it is almost ready now. Look, it is done. You can make more different bands like this, and look how pretty these beautiful hair bands are looking. Look, we are going to make a shape like this using sketch pens and put hair bands around it like this and tie a knot. And look, remove it, pull it lightly and make more such shapes like this. After that we are going to pin it like this and put it around the thread. Now we are going to combine all the shapes together like this and then tie a knot like we are doing here. Look carefully, we are combining all the shapes together and look, it is looking something like this. And the final piece is also we are going to put it, and look, it is done. After that remove the thread and then we are going to tie a knot together. And look, it is almost ready now. Give it shape using your fingers, cut the excess thread and look, it is ready. We are going to put a bead in the center and look how beautiful these colorful stars are looking. We are going to make a beautiful wristband using these hair bands. Now put two color of hair bands around these sticks and tie knot like this. We are going to overlap all the bands like this. Then repeat the same process like this. Tie two bands and then we are going to overlap all of them like this. Now we are going to put colorful bands like blue, yellow or red or whatever color you like. And look how beautiful these bands are looking. You can make these at home and look how pretty these are looking. You can put more different bands like this and look, it is ready. You can tie a final knot like this and look how pretty this wristband is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.